It's Chris here. I've been playing a bit of not Happy Wheels. I mean, I get mixed up with the games. Yeah, on the laptop. I'm at my nana's if you're wondering. Yeah. In the background, I've been playing GTA 5 on my uncle's Xbox. So yeah, I'm just wondering if people I've just played Happy Wheels. Yeah, doing a sword throw level, and some like the Santa is so weird. He's just constantly doing some weird noises. It's so rude. It's well, rude and weird at the same time. So I'm gonna let you just listen to it. It looks absolutely weird. It's a bit weird. I don't know why. It's because I thought at first it's gonna explode. Oh, what a kill! It's gonna explode, I think. Look at his legs. Oh, sugar! I didn't realise I've got a sword in my neck. You look at him now. Right, I'm gonna go replay it from the thing. Yeah. Oh, wrong thing. Right, watch it. Whee! She goes flying like Superman. Or Spider-Man, I mean. What's that? Oh. Oh, there you go, I didn't realise. Right, I'm gonna stop this now, it's so annoying. Right, I've been playing GTA 5 if you're wondering there. Doing this, steal this woman's car. Oh jeez, look how many cars there are, I didn't even realise. Right, I'm gonna go in somewhere now. I'm gonna move a bit so I can explode all these. Ow! Oh god, I got the police on me now. Oh well, I'm just gonna shoot this car. Right, I'm moving. If I can move. Oh god, I'm dead. Right, I'll turn around and watch it. Oh my god, yo! Sick, man. So yeah, that's basically it. I'm gonna just do some whoa! Right, wait. Oh, I died. I went to do some cheat then to stop the police from getting me, but I couldn't do it in time. I did a level where when you get loads, like you have to steal that jewelry shop and you get loads of money for it. That's what I've got, loads of money. I've got like, I don't know how much, I can't remember. I've got like $200,000 for each person. I can't remember, something like that anyway. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. So I don't know, like I said, I might be doing it weekly videos, I'm not sure. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Oh, and also like and subscribe if you're new. So yeah, I'll see you all in the next video. Bye, guys.